Ben Johnson, the greatest of all time. There's nobody out there can run like Ben Johnson. None. Not the past, the present, or the future. These are facts. I speak facts. I don't speak hearsay, she say, I say. I deal in facts. So I'm the guy. I'm the prototype. I am the blueprint of track and field. I want to change track and field to what it is today. Blueprint. It was the Ben Johnson era.
And it's a fair start. And it is Raymond Stewart with a start. It is Ben Johnson with a start. Can Carl catch him? No! It's Ben Johnson! Ben Johnson does it again! Unbelievable! 9-7-9!
Absolutely incredible!
Well, sprinting was my passion. Running was my passion since I was a kid in Jamaica growing up. And I immigrated to Canada 48 years ago, and become also named as one of the great sprinters of all time. There's a lots of great moments. 88 solo Olympics and World Championship in Rome in August, and many world record was broken. And even now they cannot break a few world record in the short sprints. There's a lot of great moments in my career, such as time and races and how fast I run. Even the 50-yard dash, I run 5:15 for 50 yards. So that means if I drop something on the floor and pick it up, the race is done. That's how fast I'm talking about. You understand me? So even those time doesn't even duplicate by anybody else, and nobody else can move that fast. I don't care who it is. Whoever retired in the past are running now, they can't run like me. Well, from where I'm coming from, since a young boy in Jamaica, growing up from the streets and become a great athlete, it's really incredible, and to see how far I came from all these years and become a great runner. Overcoming by just faith of my God and believe what happened over the years in my career, and it was not what I was doing, is because of sponsorship. Money run things. Money run things. I put it that way, just money run things. Politics. I call it politics still, but just it is. I do some coaching at the side. I coach young kids right now to get them up to speed, to get a education